this video we are going to learn that how to fix the Halo Infinite campaign installation error codes on the Xbox app. So first of all, you can support me by liking my video and subscribing my channel Let Me Guide. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in my description. So basically you have to just open your command prompt or CMD and run it as an administrator by right click on it, and after when the command prompt is open, then you have to just put here a specific command which is sfc space / and then scan now in one word and then hit the enter. After this you will see that this process will take some time. It means that you have to wait for 20 to 25 minutes minimum. This process may take this while, you have to be patient. After completing this process you have to put an other command which is chkdsk space / and then r and then hit the enter. After this you have to just press here the Y key on your keyboard and then hit the enter. After doing so you have to just restart your PC. After restarting your PC you have to just open your control panel and search for the apps and the features, and now you will find here such type of the interface. You have to just search here for the Xbox and then click on the three dots and then click on the advanced setting, and now you have to just scroll down and then click on the repair option. After repairing you have to just click on the reset option and then click again on the reset option. After this reset completed you have to just restart your PC or laptop again. After restarting your problem will be fixed and these error codes are successfully solved. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question you can leave a comment below. Support me by liking my video and subscribing my channel Let Me Guide. Thanks for watching.